Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wal barakatuh. I am Fatima Elisha Diarif, a second-year student from MSCTCTO, currently taking up Bachelor of Science in Marine Science. So, for today's video, let's talk about the classification of lipids based on its function. Anyway, this video presentation is our final requirement in Chem of 45, which is Biochemistry under Dr. Efren Tangon. By the end of this video, you will understand the different classification of lipids based on its function. Lipids are not just fats, they are versatile molecules critical for life. In here, we will explore how they categorize based on their roles in the body, ranging from energy storage to communication and protection. Let's start with energy storage lipids. So energy storage lipids are the primary energy reserves of living organisms. Their compact structure and hydrophobic nature make them ideal for storing large amounts of energy. Example, triacylglycerols, also known as triglycerides. These lipids are made up of glycerol esterified with 3 fatty acids, found in adipose tissues in animals and oil droplets in plant seeds. When energy is needed, triacylglycerols are hydrolyzed into fatty acid and glycerol. Then, fatty acids undergo beta oxidation to produce ATP. Next, we have structural lipids. These lipids are indispensable for building and maintaining cellular and organelle membranes. They ensure cells retain their integrity while allowing selective permeability. Examples, phospholipids. These are amphipathic molecules with a hydrophilic phosphate head and hydrophobic fatty acid tails. These lipids form the lipid bilayer, which acts as a barrier and regulates what enters and exits the cell. Cholesterol, sterile molecules that intercates between phospholipids in the bilayer, which modulates membrane fluidity. Now, let's move on to signaling lipids. Signaling lipids act as chemical messengers that regulate a wide range of physiological processes, including metabolism, reproduction, immune responses, and inflammation. Example, steroid hormones derived from cholesterol, which control key biological functions such as reproduction like estrogen and testosterone, and stress responses like cortisol. Next, we also have protective lipids. Protective lipids safeguard organisms from environmental stress, dehydration, and physical damage. They also provide thermal insulation and shock absorption. Examples, waxes. These are long-chain fatty acids esterified with long-chain alcohol, which is found in plants and animals. Waxes on plant surface prevent water loss and protect against desiccation. In animals, waxes on fur and feathers act as water-repellent coatings. Another example is adipose tissue, a specialized connective tissue storing triacylglycerols, which provides physical protection and insulation. Finally, the transport lipids. Transport lipids are responsible for carrying hydrophobic lipids through the bloodstream and lymph. Example, lipoproteins. These are complexes of lipids and proteins that carry lipids in the bloodstream. Types include chylomicrons, which transport dietary triglycerides and cholesterol from the intestine to the liver and tissues. Low-density lipoprotein, LDL, often referred to as bad cholesterol. It delivers cholesterol to cells. High-density lipoprotein, HDL, known as good cholesterol. It removes excess cholesterol from tissues and transports it to the liver for excretion.